Hello, good evening, Mr. Radoslav and Mr. Dimitar. Thank you very much for taking your time to get our interview. So, can you please introduce your company?
Okay, let the owner to speak. Да може да представиш компанията.
Компанията е създадена през 1994 година.
The company was established at 1994
с цел производство на мека мебел.
For production of sofa.
Okay.
В годините се развихме, като освен меката мебел, произвеждаме и столове, тапицирани столове.
We have improved our products through the years, and now, except the sofa, we are producing chairs, tables, etc.
Okay.
Наблягаме изключително много на CNC машини в производството си.
We try to using mainly CNC machines to guarantee the quality of the products.
Всички процеси, които могат да се изпълняват от CNC машини, се изпълняват вече при нас от CNC машини.
So all the processes that could be made by numeric control are already with numeric control machines.
Това повишава качеството, точността,
increase the quality, precision.
Продаваме изключително много продукцията си в България, Европа, Израел.
Our market is mainly Bulgaria, Europe, and also Israel, Middle East.
Обзавеждали сме хотели дори и на Карибите.
We have made sofas for hotels even on the Caribbeans. So it's far away from Europe.
Okay.
При нас работят около 60 човека.
We have around 60 workers in this factory.
Стремежа е да по-малко хора, по-хубави машини.
And of course, if we can reduce the workers and to use more numeric control machines, that will be better.
А чрез новите машини, които получихме от вас, започнахме да произвеждаме и гардероби, които са съчетания между ПДЧ и метал.
And of course, with the new pipe machines, now we can produce a new type of wardrobes with plywood and that is a word that is missing to me. It's type of sheets of wood.
Okay.
So they are new type of products.
So you mean with SteviS Laser tube cutting machines and sheet cutting machines make you have more possibility to make new products?
Of course, that's why we have these machines.
Okay.
That was our goal.
Навлизаме в други територии.
So with these machines we can enter another territories which was closed for us until now.
So I believe before you choose us, you were selecting and comparing in different suppliers. So could you tell us what is the reason that made you choose SteviS?
Пита, съответно, преди да стигнем до тях, че сме проучили естествено и други компании, какво накара да се спрем върху тях?
Накараме да се спрем на вашата компания факта, че особено за пайп машината, има най-малък диаметър на захващане на тръбата и най-малък остатъчен отпадък материал.
So mainly, according to the pipe cutting machine, you have covered the minimum diameter of the pipe. Plus the minimum remain of the pipe.
Okay.
At the end.
You mean it can cover most of your pipe size and also
it's
has
very flexible.
Offer softer lengths.
Yes, that's the main reason. The other reason, of course, is that you have enough support in information. So, of course, the price was reasonable.
Колежката, с която говорихме тяхната, изключително добре.
And your colleague, I think it's Venus,
Yes.
with whom we have discussed the deal was very cooperative.
Mm-hmm.
So we can give high Guinness.
Okay, thank you. So now you're already using our two laser cutting machines for some time. So could you comment us how is the performance, and are they helpful for your production?
Yes, of course, the performance. We mainly used until now the pipe connect machine, and we have maybe 20 days, full days of using the machine until now. So it's cutting very well in automatic mode. We don't have any
You don't have any problems
with the details. They're correct as dimensions and quality of cutting. The cutting machine is used as you have seen today.
We hope the machines could help you for mass production, increase your efficiency, and help you have more new products and good parts for the furnitures. So I remember that before we come here, these 2 days, you just start up the machines by yourself. So does it mean the machine is easy for you for startup and operation?
No, I don't think that the machine has some specific way of starting. It's normal stuff.
So it's quite easy for you.
Yeah, it's easy, and with the help of Jan, we have good teaching process. So he explained very well the way of using the machine. Today he also make us know how to maintain the machine correctly. So thanks to Jan, we have no problems with the machine.
Well, we also thank you for your support and cooperation. And so, are you satisfied with our training service?
With the training service, we are very satisfied because Jan didn't left any question from us unsolved. So.
Okay, great.
Мистер Марков имаше резерви относно сервиса, тъй като от Golden Laser не получавахме сервис. Но аз го уверих, че не е едно и също.
Yes, Mr. Radoslav says that I have a bad experience with Golden Laser because they refused to make us good service about the old machine. So I have some reservation about this, but Jan proved me that I was wrong. So
Okay,
thanks to Jan.
you're welcome. And whenever you have any questions, even we leave Bulgaria, you can just contact us anytime.
Yes, the world is small now.
It's very convenient for online support. And what we want is a long-term cooperation with you. Yeah, it's not just one-time business.
Yeah, that's what we looking yesterday in the other factory for the welding machines, because this is our next goal.
Okay.
But we must be ready for this goal because it's a real mass production device. So we have to make a market which can be driven by this machine. So this is our goal, and we keep looking for our goals.
I believe it will come soon.
Let's hope so.
Okay, so does it mean will you willingly to recommend our brand SteviS and our products, our machines to other factories?
Yes, of course. The world is very small, and we have contacts with other companies. So every time when they came to our factory, we will be glad to show our machines.
Thank you so much.
And let's hope they will be on your plans.
Thank you. And okay, the final question. Every time we will collect customers' feedback on our product, our quality, and our service. So could you give us some suggestion to help us to improve?
Yes, in the process of using the machines, of course, there will be all questions or some suggestions that will come in mind, and we'll be glad to let you know.
Okay, thank you. Yes. during your usage, if you find any improvement on our machines, just send us, and we are glad to receive it, and that will help us too. So, thank you again for these 2 days, your kind hospitality, and also your support and your cooperations.
We thank you.
We hope to see you again very soon.
When you come back to Bulgaria, you are welcome.
Okay.
И може да отидем до Фошан.
Maybe we can come.
To China?
Yeah.
Yes, of course, welcome. We warmly welcome you to visit our
My
factory.
wife want to
Go to East.
China,
Okay. Anytime.
за да ослабне.
To lose weight. No, that's not.
Okay.
But maybe-
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
So,
much.